Stop recording.
Is your other phone your other thing charged? Because they said keep everything updated because maybe lose power.
I mean, this is so stupid.
Huh?
This is so stupid.
You guys got to go outside? No bark.
Fine, do it now.
What?
They understand everything you say.
The dogs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What, stupid man?
They say that and then nothing happens.
Well, they don't know. They're just being prepared.
76% charged.
I mean, 76 isn't even bad.
Well, no, but it don't last forever.
That's unusual if I have to do it that far.
No, it isn't.
It is for you, but it's not for you, but it is for me.
Well, it shouldn't be. Be prepared.
If it goes out, I just hope it doesn't stay out for like
It won't.
a long time.
It won't.
What time are they going to turn it off?
They're not turning it off. If the wind blows it out, they don't turn it off.
But last year they were going to intentionally, but then they called it off.
That was in Genoa because of the wildfires. Come on. Candy, come. Candy, come.